Hello and welcome to some other update video, approximately XRP. So at the XRP chart, we are looking at a very effective structure right here, a superb looking structure, at the least for the time being, within the short time period, because the charge has reacted to all of those aid levels right here at the smaller time frame that we pointed out in the previous few days and remaining couple of weeks. So we'll communicate approximately that now. Previous motion pictures, you are very acquainted with this sideways range that we had been monitoring during December and early January, till the market then positioned the low in vicinity here in wave E of 4 of the triangle. If you're unfamiliar with it, we are searching at the chart from an Elliott wave perspective. So the E wave ended the triangle. So that is what we recollect, an Elliott wave triangle. I suggest, honestly, you understand, let's imagine perhaps the Mana 4 bottomed right here at the 8th of January. However, honestly, this is best. It might simplest trade matters in the element. It would not have an extraordinary effect, and it'd make the move up a touch bit much less clean, however ordinary. Yeah, the triangle completed in which it had to, and the breakout came about into the path that we wanted the fee to get to, so better. And this indicates if wave 4 spread out as triangles, so a wave 4 can spread as triangles, a wave 4 may be a everyday 3-wave corrective pattern. It's far a corrective structure. The wave 4, however, can unfold in distinct ways. So in this case, it suggests the triangle, we saw that, assumed there might be a breakout to the upside. Of path, no one has the crystal ball, nobody knows, but that became the working thesis that changed into what we have been operating with, and the price then pushed better towards the following resistance. If you observed the film's lower back then, you then knew that a rally to all-time high territory was expected that still came about, and now we've got a pullback. And this pullback isn't entire yet, as a minimum, not certainly complete. However, so long as we are in this sideways range, which started after this price pinnacle on the 16th of January, as long as we're on this range, we will paintings with the applicable support ranges that the market offers. So what we are able to see is the market dipped first into this help region on the 19th of January and reacted. I reduced the size of this larger aid location here simply to expose the smaller one, due to the fact in any other case we would not have any space. But essentially we had a reaction right here and already taken into consideration maybe the lowest in. However, we failed to break out to the upside. So we said, okay, the support region stays relevant here among $2.52 and $2.68, and it nonetheless is applicable. Or I could eliminate it from the chart. So we do not need it right now because the price is keeping above it. But need to the market check this location once more between $2.52 and $2.68, then it nevertheless is applicable, okay? So we go away it on the chart because we've no longer left the variety to the upside yet. This is vital. What we want to see next to verify that a low has been established on this wave 2, that is, every other corrective pullback. As long as this low is retaining, we're looking for the marketplace to reach the $4.20 to perhaps 5 region next. Now what is a wave 2, you understand? A wave 2 is a 3-wave pass. In an Elliott wave, or from an Elliott wave factor of view, these are so-called corrections, or in this case it would be a corrective pullback, after which we expect trend continuation to the upside. The yellow labels show you the expected roadmap direction. And then we stated, K, if we have a nearby low, at least in area here from the Monday low, K, in which the Monday low shaped, this is where the red line is placed at round $2.65. As lengthy as this low is conserving now, so we are able to use that as a key stage. As long as this stage is conserving, we can look ahead to better prices. And then I supplied yesterday, or more than 1 days in the past, another guide vicinity. The price reacted to this as properly. So I want to percentage with you right here that the price is respecting the parameters truly properly in the meantime. So that is without a doubt correct 2 peer. I don't need to mention it's a very clear microstructure, but we've got some very clear parameters to observe. And this is genuinely critical. What is missing now is an upside breakout. So within the first step, I want to peer to affirm this concept that we are already shifting better. I need to look a break above 321 followed through a smash above $3.40. At the moment, both assist areas stay relevant. The market ought to without difficulty test this help variety among $2.76 and $2.97. Again in this example, the wave 2 would grow to be a touch bit large. Any break under $2.76 manner, the bigger wave might be unfolding. Okay, one large wave diploma, and then 252 is help. Below 252, there might be a bigger reinterpretation of the chart. However, that hasn't been necessary now for some time, and the marketplace is currently respecting parameters. But it will be interesting to peer if the bulls can pressure the rate higher now. That can manifest very, very quickly if it takes place, because what the market tells us, it may be a third wave of a third wave, and that is commonly the most competitive fashion. Okay, that is the replace approximately XRP. Hope you favored the replace. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested by in addition updates, make sure you subscribe, set off the notification